guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be unboxing this month's mini Vettsy box. I'm super excited to see what we get. So yeah, let's just open it up and get straight into it. So the first thing I see are these adorable pastel, apart from the hot pink, crosses. These are super cute. I actually already have some of these, so I'll probably put these to one side to do a giveaway with, but very nice. Then the next thing we have, if I can open it, is this little like confetti kind of mix, which I do like very much. Very Eastery, springtimey colours. Then the next thing here we have a pink kind of glitter. So very, very nice. The next thing I see is a nail art stand holder. They've kind of come out of the things there, but yeah, I like these. You can never have too many of them. So yeah, I do like these very much. The tops of them are thin, and I've noticed for some reason that the yellow one is a lot, the top of it, look, as you can see with the pink one, it is smaller by quite a bit, which, yeah, I think is good, because especially if you're doing like little pinky nails, you know, that is nice. I think that is a good choice, and there's actually very decent magnets on these, so yeah, I like this very much. Oh, I just walloped the camera, sorry guys. So the next thing I see are these super cute Aurora bunnies in pastel colours. Oh, what's my dog's about to bark. The next thing I see is this silicone mould of like little sweets. Oh, okay, I had a smaller version of these last year. This is a bigger version, and these are just, I call them nail confettis, of little bunny faces in different colours. Okay, the next thing I see is we actually have a nail stamping plate. So here we go. It has some, I think, see the reflection of my camera. I apologise about that, guys. Oh, there we go. You can see my face as well. But yeah, we got some like flowers, you know, leaves, things like that. Very nice for spring, and it would also work quite well for autumn as well. So yeah, I do like that. Then it looks like we have another pot of solid nail tips glue. I had one of these last month from them, I believe, which I'm still using. I went to unscrew the lid and the entire thing came out. Look at that. So that's kind of cool. At least the pot's reusable. Right, let's try that again, shall we? Like, what is going on there? Nope, it happened again. Yeah, I don't know what happened with this, unless it's leaked out or something, because I can't actually get into it. Right, so make sure the lid is on properly, and screw. no, I can't actually get into it. So if any of you know how to get into it, that would be absolutely fantastic, because at the moment I can't. So, oh, and the last thing I see apart from the nail polishes are some stickers. So we have these cool white and black geometric nail stickers. Very nice, I do like. Oh, they're pretty. So we have some like outline of roses. And then here, oh, that is hard to see. Right, let's open it up, because it's white on white, so I'm going to struggle to see that. So if we, my desk is black. Oh, no, it's still white on white. I was kind of hoping to, you know, that it was on like a see-through backing or something, but it's not. But it's basically kind of like these black roses here. Yeah, it's just outlines of white roses and some leaves and things, which are really difficult to see. But still very, very nice. So now we are moving on to the gel polishes. The first two we have here is Ombre Art Gel in Nude. We have Solid Gel Polish Bleu in 112. And we have one in a box, and underneath the box was a magnet, so I'm assuming it is a cat eye. So yeah, cat eye gel, C-Made SC02. Very, very nice. So I am just going to go and give these a swatch, and then I will be back, guys. Hello guys, so welcome back. I have swatched these gels that we got in this month's Vettsy box for you. So starting off with the cat eye. Here it is. It is super duper pretty. Here we go. You can see that cat eye shine where it goes from the blue to the silver. Very, very nice. And this was just put on. This is a single coat on a clear base. And then, just out of curiosity, I also did it on a black base. So kind of the same, but the blue gets a little bit darker. There is not that much of a difference on whether you do it on a clear or a black base, to be fair. There we go, look, see, it just makes the blue a little bit darker, but not by much. They're not both going to stay on there, are they? Maybe. Ah, there we go. So the next one we've got is the Solid Gel Polish 112 Bleu. And here it is with two coats. Very, very nice. It is a nice baby blue, and I don't think my camera is picking it up. Maybe, wait a minute, let me just try and mess with the focus a bit. So it has a very, you can kind of just tiny bit see it, it has a very subtle shimmer. And it goes with, as you can see, with that cat eye there, absolutely beautiful. I do like it very, very much. And then we have the ombre gel. So here I used it just over some white. Did a bit of ombre because, you know, that's what it's for, ombre gel. I'm not the best at ombre, I will be honest with you. I unless I do an acrylic ombre, I'm fantastic. But when it comes to gel polishes, I'm not great at it. But there it is. And this is a lot more runnier. So you can tell that it is different. And I was just out of curiosity if it could be used, you know, as like a gel polish for a full cover. So here we go. And this is with, and I did like a normal coat and it wrinkled really bad. So I did two super, I mean absolutely super thin layers of it. And yeah, it's still wrinkled a bit on the side. That side's not so bad, but there you go. Can you see it where it's all wrinkled by here? So I personally, I wouldn't use it as like a gel polish to just, you know, colour full cover tips, because yeah, I've tried numerous things to try and get it to stop wrinkling and I can't. So if you have it, use it as an ombre gel, or maybe like, I don't know, if you maybe like a liner gel, or you know, things like that. If you're like doing some small detail work with it, it might be fine, but for, you know, covering an entire nail, you are going to have difficulties, as you can see there, with it wrinkling up. So that is everything that we got in this month's Vettsy box. I'm super excited to use this stuff. I think I can make a really nice pretty nail art with it. So yeah, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified of when I upload that video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you all in another video, guys. Bye!